Hey, Ross Strigley here from Plant Select, and I want to show you some really cool new updates that we have on our website. So if you go to plantselect.org and then you click on plants or hover over plants and then to our plants, it'll bring you to this page. And this page has 153 different plants that you can look up, research. They're going to save water, low maintenance, fantastic plants for your gardens and landscapes. But what's really cool and what we've updated is if you select a plant, let's say like the Colorado Desert Blue Star, and you click on that plant, it'll bring you to the descriptions and it gives you all the information about it, the height, the sun, the water needs. But now at the bottom, there's the annual commercial maintenance. I think this is kind of a big deal because a lot of times when people, maybe they're new to horticulture or new to gardening, and they want to know, well, what does this plant involve? This is what tells them what's involved for the work that they're going to be doing over the next many years. There is also a 5 to 10 year commercial maintenance schedule. So these I put in as commercial maintenance schedules because if you're a maintenance company, you can actually build sheets that'll tell your crew how to maintain these plants bare minimum. But if you're a gardener, you're probably just going to deadhead all the time and keep everything looking nice and your garden defined, and it'll be a little bit different. But this is a bare minimum, which is great for HOAs or municipalities. So each plant has an annual commercial maintenance and 5 to 10 year commercial maintenance. I think that's fantastic. We've also added an elevation guide. And if you happen to see this plant growing at a higher elevation than our guide, please let me know and I'll update it. But what's even better is if you go back here to our plants and then you go to export plants to Excel. You click on that. It downloads your Excel spreadsheet and then you can open it. And while we wait to open it, enable the editing, I can click on it all and then go to data, and then we can sort this. And so my data has headers. What I'm going to do is sort by, let's say, plant type. So I can sort by perennials, shrubs, trees. I can add another level where I can sort by, let's say, the annual commercial maintenance. And then what we'll find is that a lot of these plants really don't need a lot of maintenance. So I'm going to hide column C to wherever we get to annual maintenance. There. And so now when I look at these plants, I can actually see what's needed. So let's say woodward columnar juniper. Look at that. No maintenance. Do not shear. Just let it grow. Stake to established. Remove stakes after 2 years. There's a lot of these no maintenance. All these Delosperma. You know, Plant Select is known for ice plant. And this is why. They're drought tolerant and they require no maintenance and they're incredibly beautiful. So you can go all the way down the list, and if you have a corner of your yard where you think, oh, you know, a nice grouping of plants that are low maintenance would be what I'd want to look at in that corner of the yard, this is the spreadsheet you need to go to and find, and then build your garden from there. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Happy gardening. And I will see you in the growing season. Thank you.